Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use offset plane, sweep, extrude, fillet, and shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this line here with 150 millimeters of length, and the distance between this point and the midpoint is 10 millimeters and 40 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the top plane, select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here with 150 millimeters of length, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint, 40 millimeters and 10 millimeters here. Okay. And now we will create this line and this arc. This line, the distance between this line and the midpoint, 10 millimeters. It is vertical with this point, okay? And vertical with the midpoint here. And here we have an arc with 150 millimeters of radius. And this point here is vertical with this point. So select a line again. Make a line here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point and the midpoint. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the line and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. And now go to arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. And go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line here. And go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And now go to dimension. The radius here is 150 millimeters of radius, okay? And now finish the sketch. And now we will create this profile. And this profile will be in this face here. So we'll need to create a plane here. The distance between this plane and the right plane here is 40 millimeters. The same distance here. So go to construct, select offset plane, select the right plane, and extend here to object, select this point, minus 40 millimeters, press OK. And now rotate this a little bit, go to create a sketch and select this point, this plane, sorry. And now go to create, select the project included, project, select this point and this point here, and press OK. I will hide the sketch 1 a little bit. And in this point here, we will make this circle with 35 millimeters of diameter. It is this pipe here, okay? 35 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, 35 millimeters of diameter, and press OK. And in this point here, we will create this ellipse with 35 by 45 millimeters. So go to create and select ellipse. Click here in this point. The distance here 45 millimeters. And the distance here 35 millimeters. Okay. We made this profile. And finish the sketch. Show the sketch 1. I will rotate this a little bit. And now to create the pipe, we will use the sweep. So go to create, select the sweep. And the first sweep that we make, we'll create this profile here, the ellipse, and the path. Select this line, operation new body, and press OK. Show the sketch 2 and the sketch 1 again, and go to create and select the sweep, And the profile, select the circle here. And the path, select this arc here. And here the orientation, select parallel, because this face here is parallel with the other face, like the sketch here, okay? The operation here is join and press OK. We made this. And now in the midpoint, we will select the top plane and create a circle. We will make this pipe here. The circle has 35 millimeters of diameter, and we need to extrude this 40 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the top plane. And in the midpoint, make a circle with 35 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. And the extrusion here is 40 millimeters of distance. Operation join and press OK. And now we will make the fillets of this body. So the fillet here 3 millimeters and 3 millimeters here, and here 4 millimeters, and here we have 4 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 4 millimeters, and add selection set. Select this edge here and this one. The fillet here 3 millimeters. And press OK. And now we will shell this body, and the thickness of this body is 1.5 millimeters. So go to shell, and here we will select the face that we will remove, the top face here, this two face, and this one. And the thickness here is 1.5 millimeters. And press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.